Chapter 5: Waste and Environmental Sanitation. Waste is the unwanted or unusable material that is the product of various activities that we do every day. Waste or garbage, as commonly called, is generated by a number of activities. Cleaning, cooking, washing, manufacturing, peeling, etc. generate waste. This waste should be properly disposed. Waste, if not disposed of properly, can be harmful for the health of living beings. Wastes are of two types: biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. Biodegradable waste. The waste that can be broken down by the microorganisms is called biodegradable waste. It is degraded naturally. They can be recycled. The degrading microorganisms release enzymes that act on them and thus release their components back into the soil. This enriches the soil. Vegetables, food items, cloth, paper, etc. are examples of biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste. Waste that does not break down by microorganisms is called non-biodegradable waste. It cannot be degraded naturally. It remains in the environment in the same state, and when burned, it releases harmful gases or particles. They are harmful for the living beings. Tires, plastics, metals, glass, rubber, etc. are the examples of non-biodegradable waste. Waste disposal. Waste disposal needs proper attention. If not disposed properly, it can lead to various harmful effects. As we know, mosquitoes breed in garbage. This can lead to various diseases. Various other germs can also cause ill health to human beings. To pay more attention, two different colored dustbins are kept in public places, as well as residential areas. One is blue and the other is green. The green dustbin is used to dispose of all the biodegradable waste. The blue dustbin is used to dispose of all the non-biodegradable waste. The waste, then, from these dustbins is collected and treated accordingly. More to know. Nylon fabric takes 30 to 40 years to degrade. Ways of waste disposal. Waste can be disposed of in three effective ways. Open dumping. In this, the waste or garbage collected from the public places or residential areas, etc., is taken to the outskirts of the major residential area and is dumped in large open lands. This method is not preferred near the human habitation areas as it gives foul smell and is the breeding area for the germs. Landfill. This method is highly preferred over open dumping. In this, huge pits are dug in the ground away from the residential areas or areas of human habitation. The garbage is put into this pit and covered by a layer of soil. Then, usually, a stone slab is layered over it. Such grounds are mostly used as parks or grounds for various purposes. Incineration. It is the most effective method. In this, the waste is put into incinerators, sort of machines, and burned. This takes place at very high temperature. Thus, no germs are left to breed and no foul smell is generated. More to know. Incineration adds to air pollution. The 4 R's. The term 4 R's stand for reduce, reuse, replace and recycle. This is considered as a very efficient practice as it reduces the amount of waste to a great extent. Reduce. We should reduce the usage of products that generate a lot of waste or which cannot be reused. Avoid wastage of products and choose the products with longer life. Reuse. We should use the product again and again, if possible, to avoid wastage. We can do this by using cups, bottles, jars as flower pots, using shoe boxes as first aid box, donating old books, toys, appliances to the needy people. Replace. We should avoid using non-biodegradable products like plastics, rubber, glass, etc. Recycle. It involves a series of steps that take a used material and processes, remanufactures, and make it a new product. This helps in saving our environment. Now I know. Waste is the unwanted or unusable material. Waste is of two types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Green dustbins are used to dispose of biodegradable waste. Blue dustbins are used to dispose of non-biodegradable waste. Open dumping, landfill, and incineration are the methods used for waste disposal. The 4 Rs stand for reduce, reuse, replace and recycle.